Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how to crochet this very easy crochet flower. Let's get started! The materials you'll be needing is yarn, a sewing needle, a pair of scissors, and a crochet hook. I am using a 3.5mm crochet hook. We're gonna start off by making a magic circle. As you can see here, I'm making the magic circle. And you're just gonna insert your hook through the hoop and grab the yarn, and then chain one. Then you're gonna take the hoop off your fingers, and there you have a magic circle. Now we're gonna make about 6 half double crochets in the magic circle. Make sure you don't let the tail of the yarn go inside the circle, or else your magic circle won't work. Now pull the tail of the yarn very tight until it's all closed. The centerpiece of our flower is done. Now we're going to insert our crochet hook through the stitch and make a slip stitch. Now chain 3. Now insert your hook through the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 1. We're going to do this a total of 2 times. Now yarn over and pull through all the hoops. Now chain 3. Now insert your crochet hook in the first stitch you made and make a slip stitch. There we made our first petal. Now once again chain 3. And yarn over and insert your crochet hook through the next stitch, and yarn over, pull through 1 hoop. After doing that about 2 times, yarn over and pull through all 3 hoops and chain 3 once again. And insert our crochet hook through the first stitch we made and make a slip stitch. Here we made our first 2 petals. Now we're going to repeat the same steps 3 more times. Here I'm on my last petal. We're repeating the same steps we did earlier. And always before you end any project, always chain 1. Now we're gonna cut the excess yarn. Now pull the hoop. Pull it really tight. And sew in the ends. Here's the final result of our flower. Here are all 3 of the flowers together. The space in the middle of the flowers, you could always put a bead in it. That's what I did. If you guys like the content I put, make sure to like, subscribe, share, and turn on your post notifications. so you never miss one of my new videos. Bye!